On film.
Can you help me just...
Wow, somebody got sunburned today. Holy smokes.
What do you want?
Oh, wow, another guy got sunburned
turn
too.
this on. And that was the way it was, but it wasn't
Wow.
working. I think this flap needs to go
Three
somewhere.
extraordinarily intelligent
we help me
men
with a
trying
flap.
to figure out a flap.
Oh, so you need
Oh,
me.
here are some lovely ladies.
Hi.
Hello.
Our husbands are dumb. Jainer's gonna have a baby. Right there. Right there. Cook it away.
Whose baby is it, Jane?
Back it up.
UPS.
I'm down to three
Three prospects.
Great day skiing.
It's mine.
Yeah.
Hello, this is not a really good
Hi.
time. Like, it's not... Like when
His
I'm
hair hasn't
skiing,
set yet.
My hair's... makeup.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Hello.
Chris, how are you? I'm good
Sean
looking.
said nothing.
Not quite sure how to fix the ice maker.
Whose bowl of wine is
Sean, turn around yours.
Hello.
make
Hi, Sunshine.
Tell us who you are.
Oh, that's
Sean, no.
it's G-rated. It's G-rated. Okay. Bye-bye.